Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best cordless leaf blower. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best cordless leaf blower based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless backpack leaf blower. The Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless backpack leaf blower is ideal for outdoor tasks. It quickly cleans leaves, dirt, and more with an 80-volt battery, 180 mph airspeed, and 610 CFM airflow. Brushless motor technology increases torque, runtime, and tool life for years of reliable operation. The ergonomic harness and trigger-activated variable speed control with cruise control let you work longer. It has a turbo button for maximum power, and a fully charged battery lasts 18 minutes on high speed. You'll be ready for the next assignment in 45 minutes after recharging. This leaf blower is perfect for any yard with its green and black appearance and 4-year warranty. Grab a Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless backpack leaf blower today and do the job well. Number 2. WORX 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower power. The groundbreaking WORX 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower makes yard labor easier and more efficient. This leaf blower has a jet engine type motor for power without noise. 3 speeds give you complete control over any job. Speed 1 is suitable for tight corners and pavements, Speed 2 is ideal for open lawns, and Speed 3 can handle severe yard care duties with unrivaled power. This leaf blower's 430 cubic foot per minute airstream clears your property swiftly. It's lightweight and easy to wield one-handed and navigate around corners and hard-to-reach locations. The ergonomic design channels powerful wind for comfort. The WORX power share system makes this leaf blower compatible with all WORX 20-volt and 40-volt tools, outdoor power, and lifestyle products. Brushless motors make the turbine fan more reliable and efficient. Each blower contains two 20-volt 2.5Ah batteries and a dual charger as a bonus. WORX 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower, the ultimate outdoor power tech. Its innovative turbine fan, brushless motor, amazing power, and ergonomic design make yard work easy. Start exquisite lawn care today. Number 3. Makita XB3 S-Mon 18-volt cordless blower kit. Use the Makita 18-volt cordless blower kit to make a proclamation. Makita's 18-volt, 459 CFM, 116 mph blower kit in black and teal is a powerful piece of equipment. With the efficient and reliable brushless motor, you can get your work done swiftly and with little interruption. We've included cruise control and a speedometer so you may adjust the vehicle to your needs without losing command. The inline fan design further enhances balance and ergonomics, while the speed lock allows for uninterrupted operation. The 18-volt LXD lithium-ion brushless cordless blower, 18-volt LXD lithium-ion 4.0Ah battery, and 18-volt LXD lithium-ion charger are all included in one set for your convenience and optimal performance. You won't have to restart from scratch with all these parts. The Makita is lightweight, coming in at an only 6.5 pounds when including the battery. This tool can help you clean and clear with optimum portability, whether you're at home, the shop, or the office. The Makita XBU3 SM118-volt cordless blower kit will help you get the job done rapidly, effectively, and without any downtime. Number 4. EGO Power Plus 56-volt cordless leaf blower. The EGO Power Plus 56-volt cordless leaf blower is the ultimate leaf blower. This blower is ideal for both amateur and professional gardeners and is appropriate for any size project. Brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery and low noise levels, making it approximately 30 times quieter than gas-powered backpack blowers. The fan is available in a distinctive black and green hue, and a 5-year warranty protects its durability. It has an ergonomic design, an adjustable harness with waist belt, and a length-adjustable tube, allowing you to customize the blower to your preferences. With an astounding 600 cubic feet per minute airflow capacity and a maximum air velocity of 145 miles per hour, this leaf blower makes quick work of even the most challenging outdoor tasks. The EGO Power Plus 56-volt cordless leaf blower is the best option if you want a leaf blower that combines portability, performance, and pricing. Made from weather-resistant materials, it is indispensable for any garden or landscaping endeavor. This blower provides dependable, swift, and user-friendly power for all outdoor jobs. Number 5. Ryobi P2000 108-1 plus 18-volt cordless jet fan blower. The handheld blower you've been looking for is here. Meet the Ryobi P2000 108-1 plus 18-volt cordless jet fan blower. This blower has an 18-volt motor that can push out 280 cubic feet of air per minute at 100 miles per hour. The variable speed trigger gives operator more control, and the jet fan design improves efficiency greatly compared to earlier models. The supply debris scraper is especially helpful for removing stubborn dirt and leaves as you clean up after a messy situation. The blower's lightweight construction, ergonomic form, and space-saving hanging hooks all contribute to its convenience and ease of use. You may be confident that this state-of-the-art equipment won't impede your progress thanks to its sleek green/black color scheme. The battery and charger are not included in the price. For shipping convenience, this item has been taken out of its original packaging and will instead be delivered in a generic box. The Ryobi P2000 108-1 plus 18-volt cordless jet fan blower is an excellent option if you need a handheld blower that is both dependable and powerful. Get ready to enjoy twice the power and half the runtime of your old blower for all your outdoor demands. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.